Alright, so you might be wondering what is the easiest way to get ready for the Spark airdrop that will occur for XRP not until a couple of months from now. So I do believe that there is a waiting period as of right now. I'll leave an article and a link to the wallet that is probably the safest wallet in the description box below for this airdrop. So I've also heard that there's a lot of scams going around with this airdrop as well too. So the way and method that we're going to be using to go ahead and get signed up for this airdrop is through the Exodus wallet, which Exodus wallet is a non-custodial wallet. So you will be holding your own keys, your own seed phrase. And remember, not your keys, not your coins. And so the safest way to probably go about this airdrop, because there's probably a lot of confusion going on inside of how this is going to be done through exchanges or through wallets or whatever, I would say more than likely it's probably best to be hang on to your crypto and hang on to your seed phrases and keys. So the Exodus is non-custodial wallet, and I'll leave a link for it in the description box below. But we're going to run through on how to get this set up, and basically how to verify your address for the actual airdrop that will occur. And you're going to need at least 10 or 20 XRP in your wallet. So we have the Exodus wallet open. We're using the latest version here, the 20.10. And once we open up the wallet, it's going to ask you to back up your wallet here. This is just a fresh install, but you can create your password, and then it's going to tell you to back up your seed phrase over here too as well whenever you want to back it up. So you're going to actually need to back up the wallet first before you can actually verify your address or your XRP address for the token airdrop that will occur. And this is like I said, this typical airdrop doesn't occur, I think, until December of 2020. So we still have a while for this to happen. But I did want to go ahead and make a video for everyone out there that may have a little confusion about what's going on here and how to get this set up, and obviously not risk the aspect of getting scammed. So we're going to come over here to the search bar, and we're just going to type in XRP, and we're going to go to the XRP wallet. So you can see here that Exodus is pretty straightforward for the most part. It has its own exchange in here too as well, and basically you can swap in and out of, it's basically a simple swap type of method. For the most part, but if you are just sending XRP to the wallet, you're going to want to make sure that you at least have 20 XRP inside of this wallet to make sure that you can verify the address for the actual Spark token airdrop that will occur. So we're just going to send XRP here. You're going to click send, or you're going to click receive to get the wallet address. And once you copy that wallet address, then you're going to send your XRP to this wallet. Once you have sent at least 20 XRP to this wallet, you're going to come over here and click the 3 dots in the top right hand corner of your wallet page, and we're going to go to advanced options. So when you find advanced options, as soon as you click on advanced options, it's going to tell you the Spark airdrop registration. And so the XRP balance is required to register the Spark token for airdrop, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so once you send 20 XRP, this will give you a, it'll have a pop-up here for you to register the address. All you're going to do is just click the registration of the address, and to make sure that you verify this address once you have the 20 XRP tokens in there too as well. So super simple. This is probably the safest way to do the Spark airdrop when it is to occur in December. I will leave an article about the write-up on how to do this too as well. If you have any questions or whatever, leave comments in the description box below. But folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video, so that way I can stay up to date with the latest that Crypto Takeover has going on. We do chart reviews pretty much every single day too as well. But things like this, I want to help people out there and keep themselves safe inside of the crypto space, because it can be hard to navigate sometimes too as well. if y'all are brand new to crypto, I would highly recommend that y'all check out our Path to Cryptocurrency course, link in the description box below, so that way y'all can just be safe and learn a little bit more about how to get started investing in this market. So super simple, how to set up your Spark airdrop and register your XRP address inside of the Exodus wallet. Super simple, but this is probably the safest way where you will still be able to hang on to your private keys. Yeah, you just want to make sure that you have your wallet backed up. You write down your seed phrase or however you do it, and then you want to come over here and send 20 XRP to your Exodus wallet. Also, Exodus has a phone wallet, and you can set it up there too as well, and vice versa. But just come over here, send 20 XRP, and then you can register address, and you should be good to go. So I believe that the Spark airdrop is going to be a 1-to-1 ratio based on how many XRP are in your wallet. And so with the airdrop, what it's going to do is it's going to take a screenshot December. I don't know the exact date just yet, but sometime in December. So you want to make sure that whatever XRP you have over here, that is what you will be receiving in the Spark token airdrop too as well. So it'll be a 1-to-1. It's going to take a screenshot sometime in December of your wallet that is registered here on the Exodus wallet, and once it screenshots that, then then basically the Spark wallet should appear in our search when the time comes, and then you will have your Spark tokens available to you then. So I hope that kind of made some things clear for everyone. Hopefully everyone stays safe out there, but this is probably the safest way to go ahead and get signed up for the Spark airdrop when it is to occur. So I'll leave an article in the description box below if you want to read a little bit more about how the Exodus wallet goes about with these airdrops. And with that being said, thanks for tuning in, folks. Stay safe out there, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.